Baby, ya bedroom no,
Onua.
Obi mfa.
Onua machi o.
Me yasa beja ho. But asa beja ho.
Onua.
TV, Onua Captain Smart, are you playing with us or you are serious? I am leaving. Let me thank those who I'll leave them behind.
Wani.
You've all done well.
Onua.
From security to guidance.
Onua machi o. Ye Captain Smart.
And then
Oja.
Edi pe bi wo ho a wo ye adwuma otimi bu abadu mu hu no. NCR minimum nipa dodo e wo ho, CVTR minimum nipa dodo e wo ho. Akade hin. All of you. Conti, you've done so well. And today I want to bow respectfully.
Listen to the king.
Say God bless all of you.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Oh boy!
Onua machi o.
We will not get here.
Onua.
Na mo na moye e duru baby a ye duru. Be ma be yebi. Wa me ni na.
Say they are contact president.
Na isamoni catch him say captain with speed no. I know they in dodo. And it's true. Me who the emfa. Make us speed. A lot of people do not understand my speed. You may not actually understand me until you hear my very loud silence. Then you would appreciate that. How we wish he was here or he were here. Now, me when be kebi wo me ho one temase a unhu nipa me yo. Ade a me chi e wo mabrabom ya ade a ye a enye ye. Na me ya ade na ye ye wi a I leave when the applause is loud.
Onua.
Me ye kurase krache. E kurana se pen ni nyina no. Me ho na wo, me nam tworo.
Gwen.
Enti no, mamenda bo nyina se. For your indulgence, for your passion, your compassion, your empathy, everything put together, that you wake up every other morning to come listen to me. Once again, let me thank the management of Media General for containing me. My speed is always supersonic. It's always supersonic. I am a fixer. I fix. I make sure the dead will rise. I always make sure that Adia I say no.
Onua.
Station Adia posse team. That is where I bring it up. If you say me wo me no. Yede Adia I say shemi bunkum. Ne yede ye ade bia I say shemi bunkum ne yede so shemi nifa. Te de nifa no butu bunkum no so a.
Onua.
Be hu say na fa. Ti Ghana for me da wase.
Onua machi o.
Da wase. Baby ya bedru no
Onua.
Obi mfa.
Onua machi o. Ye Captain Smart.
Oja.
Kojo.
Na nyamisha.
Onsha ye nyina.
Me yasa beja ho. But asa beja ho.
Onua.
Easy.
Obi say, Captain, you've caused fear and panic.
Onua machi o.
Ampare will come for you.
Gwen.
Obi so say MPP headquarters started celebrating.
Ajeta.
Hey!
Captain Smart, Onua TV, Onua Captain Smart, are you playing with us or you are serious? I am leaving.
Say they are contact president.
Adwa September, fearless. Obi say,
Wani.
Nanado and Rebecca Akufo-Addo have stopped drinking their tea and they are jumping naked. I salute you. You've done well. Captain, don't break our hearts at Onua TV. Kwabinake, he is going, oh God. Evelyn Akofado. Hey! What at all are you saying? Captain, don't break the hearts of Onua TV. Queen PB, Abena, was stressed on all these issues, was at Wasso. And you have had the citizen. A fear is down. Oh, Captain, why? We will call Dampari for you, Pe. Abe Davis, Apu, you are not going anywhere. We'll come and beat you.
Say they are entire president.
Gideon Boateng, we go follow you wherever you go.
Say they are entire president.
Captain, don't start this anymore. Please. Janet Ami, please don't leave us. Manson, Ann and Bernard, we will not allow you to go. Try and see. Tantra Hills, we know. Daddy Blessed Gospel General, Captain Smart, please don't leave. I am crying now, Captain.
Say they are
don't cry.
President.
Yendi Kansik. Kofi Esiama Joseph, Captain, you stay here forever by force. Adwa September, Captain, this one will be lie. You can lie. Don't say that, General. The messages are many, but the truth of the matter is that there's a billboard in town. The face must show.
Wani.
Onua.
There is a billboard in town. That face must show. Ghana is my priority.
Ghana for.
And West of Africa
Onua.
is my home.
Say they are entire president.
And Africa is my responsibility.
Onua.
Abandoning this, throwing away my divine call. I know myself better than you do.
Wani.
You don't know me well.
Captain Smart, the
You hear
king
things.
of morning shows.
You see things. And so many other things that you hear and you see about me. I can authoritatively tell you 99.999% of all the things that you hear about me, you see about me, are nothing but lies.
Onua.
I am one person that I do not even know myself 100%. Because I carry metal and I carry stones. I carry sand and I carry water. It is difficult to know the mixture of these four. We have to save this country at all costs. And it would be a bash at my back.
But that is not my concern.
I cannot hold to survive if I do not quit to save this country.
But that is not my concern.
I cannot always stay in my comfort zone. I cannot always stay in my comfort zone.
Captain Smart.
Sitting on air, holding microphones, being mic'd is a comfort zone. I want a bigger and the biggest task. The greatest task to prove to the world that once again
The black man is capable of managing his own affairs.